So let's see what we have in section 3. So it's all about fixing problem. Now OS X is a complicated operating system, and to install it on third party we need to add some drivers, and Kext are basically drivers like we have in Windows. So in you might face problems like internet problems. Then we have Intel. I'll show you how to install Intel Kext files, and these are some problems that you might face normally while installing OS X. And we'll also fix up NVidia and some sound problems. So you might there might be cases where you might have problems and your headphone jack won't work and you won't hear sound from your headphone. And we also have a video where I'll show you how to fix all your general problems and usually find problems on your own. And then now let's start with the internet problem first, because once we have internet we can do all other fixes. So once you are connected to the internet you can download other things and start fixing other problems.